Okay, I would have started filming a little sooner, but the song on and I was singing. Nobody wants to hear that. Well, there. Anyway, turn it on because see that's that little storm on the right. That's supposed to build up, and that looks pretty. I think. It's the great thing about the open desert. You don't have any trees in your way or anything to see something from really far away, so it makes these storms really beautiful. It's a shame we don't get more of them. I know I posted a lot on storms lately, but you can't never get enough in the desert. It's never enough. But the area's so beautiful. You can see the rain and how it falls, and different angles, and where the wind blows. And then the clouds, you can actually, even without doing time lapse, you can watch them build up just up from the top. And that looks like a nice little storm. And the good thing about this storm in particular is it's not supposed to, like the monsoon storms, they build up around, during the day in the mountains and then head to the deserts around sunset, but they die so quick. And then any place where they're still active and good, there's no roads to them. It's way out too far in the crazy desert. I don't know, I like the storm on the right. I think that looks pretty cool. It does in person anyway. So I'm just going to keep filming for a little bit. Anyway, we're on State Route, I guess, 347. I don't know if that's what it's called. But everything's to the right, because we're headed southwest, mostly south. But everything's on. There's a storm on the left. But that doesn't look as cool as this one on the right. This one on the right might be something good to park someplace and just keep an eye on, like the other storm chasers. They got those really cool storms. The sun coming through. Yeah, that's real pretty. And the cool thing is right now, I didn't mention the temperature earlier on the other ones, but it was about 102 some places, and it dropped down some places 88, but right now it's 91. And with 91 and the sun at that angle, it's not bad. Even with this humidity, you would think, oh, 91. It's still not that bad. It's not like 91 in Detroit or something, which I would die. I could not handle 5 minutes of that. Think, oh, you're from Arizona, you can handle 91 degrees and it's 120. Yeah, I'll take 112 over 90 in any other place that's got the high humidity. Even though it's really high humidity right now, but there should be breeze. Storms always give off a little breeze. And now we're headed into the community of Maricopa. Let's see what it says. Elevation 1,190 feet, incorporated 2003, established 1857. Anyway, this community just back in the 90s when I was looking for property. None of this was here. You could buy 5 acres for $10,000. But you can see what they did with it. Now 5 acres would probably cost you $600,000 to $800,000. So big return in money. So if anybody wants to invest in Arizona, just make sure that if you do that, you want to just think about electric and water. And if you just buy land to put a house on or something, I highly suggest doing it a place where you can get a well. And a lot of places, there's a lot of aquifers under Arizona in different places. And aquifers only maybe 150 feet down before you get water, good clean water that doesn't run out or hasn't yet. If you do that, and then if you just wanted to be away from everybody, by the time people encroach, cities encroach upon you, your property would be worth so much that you could sell it and just go someplace else. But if you're gonna move out into the desert, just try to make it by a mountain. Those are really beautiful and makes the desert a lot more fun, other than just flat out open desert without any mountains close by. Yeah, see, we're back in the city, then you can't see much of the storm. Put this up a little bit. So it's still off to the right. The town's only a few miles long, and then it goes back into, on GPS, looks like a lot of farmland for probably maybe 20 miles or so. I'm gonna pause it right here. Well, let's see. This light.
In a quarter mile, turn right.
We'll have to stop the video because I'm not
Take the next right, then turn right.
Oh yeah, so that's where I put that auto zone, was in GPS. This lady's gonna drive me crazy. They can't cancel without stopping the video.
Turn right, then turn right.
Yeah, I bet.
Take the next right, then turn right.
Wouldn't you like that?
Make a U-turn at West Edison Road.
How about we don't say I did?
Continue straight to stay on North John Wayne Parkway, North Maricopa Road, then make a U-turn at West Hathaway Avenue. Make a U-turn at West Hathaway Avenue. Use the right lane to turn slightly right onto North Maricopa Road, then turn right onto West Garvey Avenue. Turn right onto West Garvey Avenue, then turn right onto Congreve Avenue. Use the left two lanes to turn left onto Honeycutt Road.
Okay, there's no way of stopping her without canceling out the video, so I guess another part.